Hello, e-commerce enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could transform your online venture? Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to elevate your e-commerce venture with tailored merchant account solutions. Delve into the world of e-commerce and its booming potential. We'll unravel the importance of seamless payment processing, especially for high-risk industries like credit repair and CBD sales. Before we dive in, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. The digital landscape has ushered in unprecedented possibilities, allowing entrepreneurs to tap into a global consumer base easily. However, to truly thrive in this bustling arena, e-commerce businesses must master seamless payment processing. This is especially crucial for high-risk sectors like credit repair and CBD sales. Tailored merchant account solutions are the secret ingredients that empower you to accept credit cards and streamline payment processing. Understanding the importance of tailored merchant account solutions. A merchant account bridges the gap between your customer's credit card payments and your business's financial core. This system ensures secure credit card transactions and guarantees a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Navigating high-risk industries with confidence. Many e-commerce enterprises operate in high-risk industries, such as credit repair and CBD sales. These sectors are deemed high-risk due to chargeback potential, regulatory hurdles, and heightened fraud risks. Conventional payment processors often shy away from such businesses, leaving them struggling to find suitable payment solutions. The power of e-commerce specific solutions. A tailored e-commerce gateway seamlessly integrates payment processing into your online store, elevating the shopping experience for your customers. Revolutionizing the credit repair industry. Tailored credit repair merchant processing solutions acknowledge the nuances of this industry, offering payment gateways specifically crafted to tackle its challenges. From managing recurring payments to handling sensitive financial information, these solutions empower credit repair companies to focus on their core mission while ensuring seamless financial operations. Empowering CBD merchants. Tailored CBD merchant accounts provide a lifeline, allowing them to accept credit cards for CBD products without unnecessary complications. These solutions are tailored to manage the intricacies of CBD transactions, offering a secure and reliable payment gateway for merchants and customers. Seamless integration and online convenience. Smooth payment processing enhances the customer experience and drives your revenue. With the power to accept credit card payments, optimize payment processing systems, and enhance the overall customer experience, these solutions are your passport to excelling in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Dive into TouchSuite merchant processing services today and embark on a journey towards e-commerce excellence. As we wrap up this insightful journey, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with our enriching content. For top-notch payment solutions trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, from startups to global giants, visit TouchSuite's website. With a legacy spanning over 2 decades, TouchSuite is your trusted payment partner. Until next time, may your e-commerce venture soar to new heights.